afternoon, students. Last class we discussed about the introduction about the light. So second day we are going to see the important detailed question, that is the 5-mark question answers from this lesson. What is that first 5-mark in this lesson is the properties of light. So in this properties of light having few points, important points we have. These all the points already we studied in the lower section. Just we are recalling this point in this session. It is a form of energy. We know very well. In introduction itself, I said light is a form of energy. So photons emitting that energy in the form of light. So it is a form of energy. First point. The second point is light travels along a straight line. So to explain the second point, in 6th standard we studied about the pinhole camera. So pinhole camera is a instrument to explain the traveling of light. So light travels along a straight line. So second point is here, light travels along a straight line. Third point, it is a form of energy, but it does not need any medium. For example, sound medium. Without any medium, sound cannot travel. But light does not need any medium. It can travel through the vacuum. So when that light is traveling in a vacuum or in air, the speed of light is 3 into 10 power of 8 meters second power minus 1. So per second, light can cover the distance 3 into 10 power of 8 meter. So it is the fastest particle. So speed of light is mentioned by the letter c. So speed of light in vacuum or air is 3 into 10 power of 8 meters second power minus 1. The fifth point is light is in the form of waves. What is means by waves? It is in the form of the sine format. So it having the up and downs. It is like a waves. So light is in the form of waves. In this wave, basically we having the 3 definitions. The first definition is the amplitude. Second one is the wavelength. Third one is the frequency. What is means by amplitude? Maximum displacement of the wave. Maximum displacement of the wave. Maybe the upper part or the lower part. It is called the amplitude. Generally it is mentioned by the letter, that is the A. So what is means by A? That is the amplitude. Maximum displacement. So maximum displacement is nothing but the length. So its SI unit is the meter. The second one is the wavelength. What is means by wavelength? Length of the wave. For example, this is the one wave. So this one wave, the length between these 2 points from here to starting point to ending point. This is the one wave. So this wave length is called the wavelength. So this is also the length. So its SI unit is the meter. Generally it is specified by the letter lambda. So what is means by lambda? It is a wavelength. What is means by wavelength? Length of the wave. It is mentioned by the letter lambda and its SI unit is the meter. The third important definition of the wave or the terms of the wave is the frequency. Frequency is nothing but mentioned by the letter mu. So what does means by frequency? Number of waves produced in 1 second. That is called the frequency. For example, this is the one wave. In 1 second, the light producing that only one wave means it is mentioned by that 1 hertz. For example, this is the two wave. For example, this is the one wave. This is the two waves. In 1 second, one wave plus two waves is producing means the frequency of the light is the 2 hertz. 2 hertz. So, in 1 second, how many number of waves are produced? That is called the frequency. So, the SI unit of frequency is hertz. So, generally it is mentioned by the letter Hz. So, from these three terms, that is the amplitude, frequency, wavelength, we having some relation equation. What is the relationship between them means the speed of light c is equal to mu into lambda. So speed of light is nothing but the product of the frequency and the wavelength. So it is a directly proportional. So speed of light increases means its frequency also increases. Speed of light is increases means its wavelength also increases. So it having the directly proportionality constant. So C equal to mu lambda. Next one point, different colors of light has a different wavelength and the frequency. What does means by different color? We know that the colors are colors of light. That is a web GR. This is a rainbow color we know. It is a visible light. Many type of electromagnetic waves we have. In this waves, the important wave is a visible wave. So that visible wave light have consisting 7 colors, starting from the violet to the red. So each and every one colors, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, each and every one color having the different wavelength and the different frequency. But that wavelength and frequency is inversely proportional. For example, violet having the low wavelength and the red having the high wavelength. But when we are considering the frequency, it is totally opposite. So, which one having the lowest frequency? Red. Which one having the highest frequency? Violet. So, frequency and the wavelength is inversely proportional. Next, last point is when light is incident on the interface between two medium. We know the two types of medium, that is a rarer medium and the denser medium. So, rarer medium, denser medium, when the light is interface between these two media, it is partially reflected. What is means by reflection? It will be come back in the same side. For example, this is the mirror means when the light is hitting on the surfaces, it will be come back in the same side. So this is called the reflection. And the partly light is refracted. So for refractions, which type of object we are using means that is the lens or that any one of the transparent medium we are using. So when it will be hitting that some surfaces, that light part will be deviated away from that normal. That is called the refracted. So students, that's all the important points given in our textbook. What is the first point? Light is a form of energy. Second point, light travels along a straight line. Third point, it does not need any medium, does not require any medium. Fourth point, the speed of light is the 3 into 10 power of 8 meters second power minus 1. Next point is it is traveling like a form of waves. So what is means by waves? This is the wave pattern. So these waves having the three important terms. First one is the amplitude, wavelength, frequency. What is means by amplitude? Maximum displacement. It is mentioned by the letter A. The SI unit is the meter. Next one, wavelength. It is mentioned by the letter lambda. SI unit is the meter. Wavelength means the length of the wave. Next term is the frequency, that is the mu. Frequency means number of waves produced in 1 second. SI unit is the hertz. Relation between the speed of light and wavelength and frequency, C equal to mu lambda. Next point is the different colored light has a different wavelength and the frequency. Violet having the less wavelength, red having the high wavelength. So visible light means that is the wave GR. When light is incident on the interface medium, that is a two type of media. Two type of media means rarer media and the rarer medium and the denser medium. It is partly reflected and partly refracted. So students, next class we will see about the reflection and the refraction laws. Okay, thank you students.